Good afternoon. I am Shiv Shankar. Today we are seeing workshops on durability. Uh, Today we discussed about durability analysis, crash analysis, like that, and also uh, they tell something about the role, uh, how the CAE engineer uh, works in the industry, what are the roles he has assigned, and what are the difference between sheet metal, plastics, and so other materials, how the durability testing is conducting in OEMs. So these kind of informations we have get in today workshop, and also got to know so many parts in the automotive passenger vehicle. The workshop is helped me to get new things about it clearly. That's all.